What's going on, guys? Today's video we have a new speaker. We're gonna go and unbox and review it. I'm at a weird angle right now because I really love this speaker and I can't wait to start using both of them simultaneously. So we're just gonna get straight into it. This has many different specs on it, such as TWS mode, which you have two. This is a 25-watt bass speaker with extra bass, Bluetooth 5.0, and water resistance or waterproof. This is a party type speaker, so you can do a lot with it. It has RGB effects and a lot of other stuff. So it retails for under 50 bucks. I'm 100% sure. We're just gonna get straight into it. I unboxed one of them already and tested it out, and then I tested out both of them because they just sound so good. So that's the speaker. You also have a user manual as well as a Type-C charging cable and your little lanyard type of thing, so you can hook it up. So this is the speaker itself. It's a nice fabric material. On top you just have some information just talking about the different modes and how to restart it if it has any issues. But this speaker, it's so amazing. So you have the little rim for the RGB right here. See? You have your bass and Bluetooth pairing button right here for syncing both of them. If you have two, just press and hold one of them. You have one mode right here. If you press hold these for 5 seconds, you can tap on either end, on and off button, and then volume up and down. I'm pretty sure if you hold the plus or minus, it'll skip or rewind track. But this speaker has 25 watts of power, and look at this. You have RGB on and off right there. Type-C, aux port. This little seal will help with the waterproof, so that's amazing. Little rubber feet on the bottom. Nice fabric material. I'm gonna test this out if it will float on water. But just on. Turn it on. Bluetooth mode. So now it's synced with the other one. So I have both of them right here. It's literally that easy. It's really cool. It just looks really nice. It's a really good light show for especially the price. I'm gonna try to play some music real quick to show you some of the beat, and then I'll do a full-on test in a bit and some other stuff right now. So I'm just gonna play the closest one we have here. It's less than halfway right now.
Look, okay, she sent a pics of me before they hit the ground. All night we run them to fitness ad. This a cricket match, couple day affair with your wifey. With my hoodie, told her give it back. Stop off at the hometown, looking like I'm still the man. I see some epitomes of what it's like to finish last. I wonder what it's like to drop and they ain't feeling that. Been through a lot, but I ain't never had to deal with that. And fuck about a bump, I'm done laying low. I'm done acting like the enemy ain't made a goal. Solid to the core, I can never play a role. And if she tryna choose, tell her I don't take a rose. Know the head, make her fall in love and take a soul. Yeah, check the body count, but I ain't saving bones. It's a favorite song, once I go and lay the roles. Circle staying close, strangers taking notes, so we stay at home.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna go above 80% because it's just really loud for two speakers. It's insane. But the bass, it's surprising that it comes out of this small, tiny little speaker. I'm gonna show you those little modes real quick. So you just press and hold this for about 5 seconds, and then you have those weird gimmick modes. And yeah, it activates on both of them. And then turn it off, you just press and hold it again, and then you're good. So yeah, that's that. The speaker sounds so good. Like you're getting Tribit Stormbox level speaker sound quality. Has a really clean bass, really good audio. You can be the judge for yourself, but it sounds really good as you've seen. And you have a little light show as well. You have pretty much everything you need in a Bluetooth speaker. It floats. You can put this in your pool. You can literally have these in your pool. But yeah, this thing is just amazing. I'm gonna keep jamming out to it right now and do some more cleaning and working. But just you can have this anywhere. They fit, they're small enough, and you're good to travel with it. Have it at the beach or anything like that. They're very loud, killer bass, just amazing. Highly recommend it. I'll do some more review right now. Alright, so I really want to do a water test on this, and I will have another video just specifically for that, so stay tuned for that, and I will do that in the future video. Thank you for watching, and we out.